Xuzhou Huihe International Trade Company Limited was founded in the year 2015, which is mainly engaged in developing, designing, marketing many kinds of high-quality glass packaging. As a professional supplier in China's glassware industry, we are mainly working on food glass bottles, sauce bottles, wine bottles, clear and amber beer bottles, beverage bottles, spice bottles, cosmetic bottles, caps, and other related glass products. Xuzhou Huihe is a professional team which has the ability to customize glass packaging in accordance with customers' requirements and offer professional solutions for customers to raise their product's value. We are also able to offer decorating, screen printing, spray painting, engraving, electroplate, and other deep processing to fulfill one-stop shop services. Our cooperated factories have the ISO 9001 Quality Management System inspection and the ISO 14001 Environment Management Authentication. We have serious quality requirement to our cooperated factories, so our glass packaging always kept good quality and have been distributed to over 20 countries and regions, such as the USA, Canada, Australia, Europe, Southeast Asia, and enjoyed great popularity in these places. Customer satisfaction, high-quality products, and convenient service are our company's missions. With our dynamic and experienced team, we believe we are capable of assisting your business to grow up continuously together with us.